Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing something really cool. So we are making Notion smarter using AI agents. That means you can ask question and the AI will search your Notion database, filter the right page and give you answer just like virtual assistant. So before going to this workflow, let's have a brief intro of Notion. So, what is Notion? It's like a digital notebook, task manager, and database all in one place. Imagine like keeping you to do list, work notes, product facts, or customer questions all in one place, organized beautifully with tags, titles, and filters. So, in this project, I have set up a Notion database with the name company knowledge base that looks like an fact system with question field, answer block, and some tags to organize topics like expat driver license HR, and have different departments like HR, IT, operations, and product. So this is what we'll query using AI chatbot. Let's see now how workflow works. Here, when user sends a query like through chat trigger node, and then it will in the next step we are getting database details as AI needs to search where to as like AI needs where to search. So we connected to Notion database. So first you have to give the credential in order to integrate innate into Notion, and I'm choosing the resource type as database, operation as get, and here I've given the database name as company knowledge database. As you can see in the Notion, I have already created with the name company knowledge database. So it will pull out database title, available tag, schema, etc. In the output you can see when I execute it. So we are doing this like because AI don't know what's inside and how to search your Notion. It's like giving a map to your assistant, sending them to the before sending them to the library. So that's the reason we are adding the node like get database details. Next, we are using a format schema. We are formatting info like extracting a user question, extract database ID or tags. It prepares everything that AI agent needs, almost like packing tools for a mission. As you can see, it can extract the details like session ID, action, chat input, database name, Notion ID, tag options, etc. And the next is the AI agent. It will reach your question, decides which Notion search tool to use, and automatically picks relevant tags or keywords such as your, and then it will search your database and finally gives you clear answer. Have connected to the chat model, open router chat model, and have used OpenAI chat GPT 4o mini, and for in order to like this model will understand what the query is, and will then the agent will can look what tool it has to use, and the memory I have given for maintaining the context, and have connected to such Notion database tool. You can see, you have to give the description like use this tool to search the Notion app database. As Notion is like a structure with is a structure database. It it is like whatever the question is like structure with question and answer format, so and so. And the method I'm using is the post. So this will query the database using post method. I'm querying the database in order, and this is the URL. This, you know, make and for connecting it to database, and you can see here it will filters out the question based on the keywords and and tags also. And next is that I'm getting the details from the same database. You can see the description like use this tool to retrieve Notion page content using the page ID. So using get method, I'm extracting and the database URL have given, the page URL have given, and so here we have to give the page ID, a placeholder name, and a description you have to give, and the expected response type I have chosen is like JSON, and field containing data is like results. So what are the fields I'm extracting is like ID, type, paragraph, text. So these are details I'm extracting. So yeah, based on your question, agent will choose best one. So yeah, let's ask question like which tools you have. Which tools you have? As you can see, like I have access to tools that allow me to search and retrieve information from company knowledge base. Now let me ask question like how can I get driver's license recognized in Germany? So when I have triggered the question, it got the database details. As you can see, the output, it got the ID, all the required details it took, title, description, so and so, and this is the chat input. It took the input like chat input, and then extracted the output with this and like database details, etc. And now let's go to format schema. Here, whatever the details it got from the database details node, it took it, and then it's just extracting the required fields like session id, action, and notion id. So the output will be like key value pairs, and then it's passing through the AI agent. So now the AI agent knows like which database it has to search and what tags or what related fields it has to look based on the question given. So you can see here such notion database. So this is the output it has generated based on the input. It has here it has extracted the driver's license. See, it took the keyword based that is driver's license and has generated the output. And let's see what information it has extracted. So you can see the output here. To get a driver's license recognized in Germany if you have a non-EU driver's license. So whatever the information you can see here, it got all extracted from the company knowledge base, which was created in Notion. So yeah, but you may ask like, can't we do the same thing using RAG? Yes, you can do it, but there's a difference. Like in RAG, we take long form text like policies or facts, split them into chunks, convert them into vectors, and store them in vector database. When user asks something, it searches for similar meaning and gives that as context to AI. So basically, Notion has structured data, whereas RAG has unstructured text, and Notion uses tags, filters, whereas RAG uses semantic meaning. So yeah, like for Notion, it is easy to edit, but for RAG, it requires reindexing. See here, you can simply edit the database, and you can see it's like structured form. So use Notion for database kind of thing and use RAG for long documents. So that's it for today's video. Drop your thoughts or questions in comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.